So you've created an account, logged in, joined a class, and you're ready to go. Remember, you don't need to create an account every time. Just log in. Now, what can you do? Underneath this little frog, you'll see one way you can use this website. What you have here are activities. Activities are the building blocks for assignments and quizzes, which we'll explain in a minute. For now, let's say you scroll beneath the frog and click on an activity for your class. You'll get a menu with different ways you can practice. Under the Study section, you can choose something called Graded Practice. Graded practice is best used to practice the spelling of verbs in various forms in a particular tense. For example, you are given Frida to open. You may need to change to open to opened. So you'd think of the infinitive abrir, then change it to match Frida in the past tense, and type abrió. And then you'd hit Check Answer and see how you did. This type of activity takes 5 minutes. Also, under the Study section, you can choose to do some flashcards. Flashcards takes you to some digital flashcards. Simply tap the screen to see the other side. You can use this activity to sort through vocabulary. If you feel like you know the word well, click green. If you need to keep practicing the word, click red. The words you need to keep practicing will be kept in the pile until you know them well. And then there is the Games section. Some games do not work well on a phone, especially the multiplayer games. Those work best on a computer. However, there are a few games that you can do individually and are rather simple in gaming skill. Whichever games you choose, you will be practicing with the same material as the activity type you originally clicked on at the first menu under the frog. If it was a VR activity, that means you chose to work on verbs, not vocabulary. When you find yourself ready with that material, you may return to the first menu and choose another activity type to practice. Don't skip over my messages. You can practice the available activities all you want. However, be sure to go to Assignments and do the visible assignments before they disappear and turn into quizzes. And be sure to go to Quizzes and do the available quizzes before the due dates expire. Where can you find assignments and quizzes? Above the frog, there is a menu. If you are on a phone, you won't see the menu unless you turn the phone sideways. Suddenly, you'll have the ability to change from activities to quizzes or assignments. So you click on Assignments. Notice that the top menu now says Assignments. You find an assignment that is currently active, and it has a due date, so you click on the assignment. If you're on a phone, it may look like this. Click on Go to Assignment. After doing the assignment, you'll get a box that says Assignment Completed. Close that box. If you want to see your score, go to the grades where your score is recorded. Notice that not only can I see how many problems you attempted within the time duration, I can see the exact time at which you completed the assignment. The nice thing about assignments is that if you don't like your score for an assignment and the assignment is not yet due, you can go back and click Redo. Now, what about quizzes? Click on the top menu and select Quizzes. The word quizzes will appear in the gray area. Scroll down to find any quizzes you may need to do. If you are ready, click Start the Quiz. The format of the quiz may require you to keep your phone turned sideways. When you finish the quiz, click Submit Answers. Your grade will appear in your gradebook. Even though under the words Your Results it says Ask Your Teacher, don't ask. You can see the points you earned, the possible points available, and the percentage is right there. I won't revisit a digitized quiz for you. If you made a typo, oh well. Also, if you take the quiz and close the screen without hitting Submit Answers, that's simply an unfortunate error on your part. Unlike assignments, quizzes can't be done more than once. Remember, the menu is above the frog. And if you're on a phone, you won't see the menu unless you turn the phone sideways.